Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're uncovering the mysteries of the reverse proxy, your website's silent guardian working tirelessly behind the scenes. Ever wondered what happens when you type in a website address and, bam, magically land on your desired page? The reverse proxy plays a big role in that invisible hand pulling the strings. So, buckle up, and let's take a deep dive into the fascinating world of reverse proxies. What is a reverse proxy? Imagine a bustling restaurant kitchen. Orders fly in, chefs whip up dishes, and waiters deliver them to hungry customers. A regular proxy server is like the waiter, taking your order, web request, and delivering it to the kitchen, web server. But a reverse proxy is like the head chef, managing the entire operation behind the scenes. It sits in front of your actual web servers, acting as a middleman between the outside world and your website's internal workings. It intercepts incoming requests, decides which server is best suited to handle them, and then forwards them on. But its job doesn't stop there. How does a reverse proxy work? Here's the magic breakdown. 1. Request arrives, you type in a website address. Your request flies through the internet like a digital pigeon. 2. Reverse proxy intercepts. The reverse proxy, perched at the edge of your website's network, catches the pigeon. 3. Server selection, it analyzes the request, considering factors like server load and content type. Think of it as the head chef deciding which cook is best for the job. 4. Forwarding the request, the reverse proxy sends the pigeon request to the chosen internal server, like the head chef handing the order to the right cook. 5. Server response, the server whips up the content, a delicious digital dish. 6. Reverse proxy delivers. The reverse proxy takes the dish from the server and sends it back to you, like the waiter bringing you your meal. But the reverse proxy skills go beyond just delivery. Benefits of a reverse proxy. Security. It acts as a shield, hiding your actual server addresses from the outside world, making it harder for attackers to target them. Think of it as a bouncer protecting the kitchen from unwanted guests. Performance. It can balance traffic across multiple servers, preventing any one server from getting overloaded and ensuring smooth sailing for your visitors. Imagine having multiple chefs working on orders to avoid long wait times. Caching. It can store frequently requested content, like website images, and serve them directly to visitors, reducing server load and speeding up page loading times. Think of it as having pre-made appetizers ready to go for faster service. Customization. It allows you to customize how your website handles different types of requests, like redirecting mobile users to a specific version of your site. Think of it as having special menus for different dietary needs. So, there you have it. The reverse proxy, your website's silent guardian, working tirelessly to keep things running smoothly, securely, and efficiently. Next time you visit a website, remember, there might be a whole team of digital chefs and the head chef, the reverse proxy, working behind the scenes to deliver you a seamless online experience. Have you ever encountered a website with a particularly fast or secure experience? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more techie adventures.